Welcome to the new Automotive Track service by Yole System Plus. This service is dedicated to teardowns and cost analyses of innovative electronic systems for automotive applications. Once your registration and subscription are validated, you gain access to hundreds of teardowns and reverse costing analyses sorted by different categories, such as ADAS, electrification, infotainment, and telematics. To illustrate the functionalities of this service and how to use it, let us use the teardown of a LiDAR. It will make a good example. First, to find a specific teardown, use the search bar with pertinent keywords relative to the teardown you are looking for. You can also use different filters, such as category, subcategory, or the manufacturer's name. It is also possible to search for all the teardowns for a particular automotive OEM or a specific car model to get a global view of the most innovative systems in a car. And of course, by combining all these filters, you will get more precise search results. It is important to note that the same methodology is rigorously applied for a less complex system and a very complex one. For each teardown, the same kind of information will be displayed: features, dismantling, boards, block diagram, parts, and assembly. In the features section, you will find information like the weight and dimensions of the system and in which car it is installed. The dismantling section presents the step-by-step disassembly with very detailed photos and identification of each part. All the mechanical parts and electronic components are identified at each disassembly step. The board section shows in detail the different electronic boards making up the system. Each side of each electronic board is displayed with high-resolution photos from different angles. It is possible to click on a photo and zoom into it to see every detail of the board and its components. It is important to note that all the electronic parts are identified. Integrated circuits, processors or microcontrollers, memories, sensors, power transistors, passives, and connectors. All these components are precisely identified. The block diagram details the interconnections between the main integrated circuits of the different electronic boards. The block diagram is very useful for seeing the system's internal structure and understanding the technical options and the chipsets used to achieve the electronic functionalities of the system. In the parts section, there is a detailed bill of materials of the complete system, including a very reliable and precise cost estimation. In the bill of materials, each part is detailed with its manufacturer name, part number, description, package, and quantity required. The cost estimation of the integrated circuits is done using a structured bottom-up methodology based on Yole System Plus's years of experience in the cost modeling and simulation domain. In the assembly section, the step-by-step assembly of the electronic boards and the complete system are detailed and estimated. Hundreds of systems have already been analyzed, and new teardowns are added every week. These technical analyses will provide a lot of information, allowing you to see in detail the latest innovations for automotive applications.